Hello everybody, and welcome back finally to In the Bush with Crawling Daley. Now, I realise it's been a long time coming. There's been a few of the past episodes that have been kind of interrupted by particular individuals, but not today. We've taken the necessary precautions, we've closed off the filming area, and nothing is going to happen today. You're going to see the true, uncut, unbiased Crawling Daley experience. So, in today's episode, we're going to be looking— Oh, not again!
It's time to get rid of that fake Aussie. It's time to learn from a real American. No more of this Aussie talking about survival. Survival's stupid. I'm gonna teach you to conquer nature. Conquer the American way. Because I'm an American. I love beer. I love tobacco. I love Donald Trump. And I love guns. I also like knives. Knives! Welcome back to Sam versus Nature. We're here in nature. And we're about to take it down. So, this first episode, I'm gonna talk to you about my nature assault pack. Alright? We're gonna go through it and how you can build one yourself. Alright. It's perfect. So, you need a strong backpack for your nature assault pack. Now, we're good. So, the first thing, you're gonna need a mask. This is in case it hails, rains, or anything. Then nature might throw you away. Crawling! Get your crap out of this! Next. This is a genuine orcish cleaver that I pulled from the ashes of Asengard. Take that, nature. Another very, probably the most important part of this pack, other than your weapons, is your pocket stars and stripes. Because nothing protects you more from nature than the knowledge that you are a free American. Alright, and the next one is Brenda, I thought I told you not to let the kids into the assault pack until they're 13.
What was I supposed to do? I was at work all day.
You have one job, and it's to not let them into the assault packs.
Maybe you didn't have so many assault packs. They wouldn't be so interested.
It's my job, and they're American. They're supposed to be interested in guns and assault packs.
You're one to talk. You're Canadian.
Brenda! Dang it, Brenda. Alright, welcome back to Sam versus Nature. It's time to go and kick nature's butt. Go hand to hand. Oh, he's angry. He's angry. Oh. Ah! I'll see you next episode on Sam vs. Nature.
No, dude, I don't care.
That's my handle in half.
That's amazing. Okay, for a blooper reel. He snapped the knife in half.
I actually snapped it.
Oh my god.
Wow.
I want to see this now.
That was so funny.